Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Ethereum from Ledger Nano X to Binance in 2025. If you're holding Ethereum on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it to Binance for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so security is key. Let's dive in step by step. First things first. Ensure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Connect your device to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Make sure your Ethereum app is installed on the Ledger. If not, go ahead and install it from the app catalog. This keeps your funds safe and ready for transfer. Next, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger Nano X. You'll see your wallet address displayed. Now, hop over to Binance. Log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet section. Generate or select an Ethereum deposit address. This is where your ETH will land. Double check that it's the correct network. We're sticking with the Ethereum mainnet here. With your Binance address copied, go back to Ledger Live. Select your Ethereum account, click on Send, and paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, but leave enough for any potential gas fees. Review the transaction details carefully on your Ledger screen. Always confirm with your physical device to prevent any hacks. Once you're satisfied, approve the transaction on your Ledger Nano X. It might take a few minutes for the blockchain to process, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your Binance wallet. After it's confirmed, check your Binance balance to ensure everything arrived safely. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred your Ethereum. Remember, in 2025, crypto tech evolves fast. So keep your Ledger firmware updated and use hardware wallets for ultimate security. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.